All right, here we go for a spin in a 1957 Ford Thunderbird. This one's flame red, so you can see it coming a mile away.
Yep. Not for the very tall though.
Gary probably already told you in the video, but they only made 4% of these with a overdrive 3-speed transmission, so it's basically 4-speed. Nice day in Southern California. Synchros are good, the car shifts real well. All the gauges look real nice. Still got the original Town and Country radio. With the addition of air conditioning, nice to have in a convertible in case it gets a little warm. But for a stock 57 Bird, it rides real nice, it's comfortable. It's got the steel belted radial wide whites, which are nice. They ride nicer.
Down the highway.
Woohoo! Nice. Nice and smooth. Dashes are classic. That spun machined metal.
Yeah, the Trans Am even stole that dash.
They sure did. This car's so nice you can rent it to the movies and make $500 a day. If you go with it and watch it. Alright, we're headed home. Hasta la vista.
Hey, check out this nice 57 T-Bird. This one's got the 312 in it with a 4-barrel. It's got a rare 3-speed manual transmission with the overdrive option. So that's what makes it kind of rare there. It's got cold upgraded AC, 2 tops, hard top and a black canvas soft top. It's got the original Town and Country radio and the Coker Classics. Pretty nice car, drives well. Walk you around here. All right, let's go give you a shot of the interior. Interior is pretty nice. There you go. Nice seats area. Dash looks really good. There's your radio, your aftermarket AC. It's pretty cool. All right, here's the 312 power plant there. Nice T-Bird, nice and neat and clean. It's got the really cool looking valve covers on there. There's the other side, and there's your upgraded air conditioning. It's 134, so you know, get it recharged if you ever need to. It's got that nice air cleaner on there, really clean, runs good. I'm going to start it up for you so you can take a listen to it. All right. All right, let's start this guy up. All I gotta do is get the keys out of my pocket. There she goes. Starts right up. Pretty nice. Runs good. Sounds like your typical 312. Pretty quiet, just has stock exhaust. But you know, a nice car to drive, real clean, runs well. We got this here at California Cars. We're located in Simi Valley. 818-591-1313. Talk to Rich or Gary. More than happy to show you this car. Really a nice looking T-Bird.